And welcome back. My name is Zane. Quick disclaimer, this video is not financial advice. This video is not supposed to be taken as financial advice. This video is strictly for educational purposes and for entertainment. Now today I'll be doing my top 5 or top 6 picks of altcoins that I believe are best to be held for this year. And especially, you got to watch out for these altcoins in August. Starting with Cardano, the 5th highest cryptocurrency in the world, ranking by market cap. As you can see, the current price of Cardano, $1.27. However, not too long ago, Cardano was at its all-time high back in May, and the price was over $2.30. So it makes you wonder, where does Cardano go from here? Because for a long time, Cardano was actually sitting comfortably just under 10 cents. Under 10 cents. That means that if you'd invested back in September in 2020, last year, you would have 11x, 12x your money by now. And not to mention at its all-time high, you would have 20x your money or 21x your money at its all-time high. Just to put that in perspective. But Cardano is doing well right now. Back in the last 7 days, Cardano has increased almost 20% in growth alone. Almost 20%. That means the market cap and the price have gone up by 20% in the last 7 days. So naturally, this leaves me with a lot of questions. Now, I know Cardano has a lot of coins in its supply, but you have to remember what Cardano stands for. You got to remember what Cardano does. And for anyone who do not know what Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Basically, Cardano is very similar to Ethereum, very similar in many ways. And Cardano is proof of stake as well, which means that you can stake Cardano to get rewards, passive income over the course of a year or over the course of months. So this is the power of Cardano, but there's so much more about Cardano that it does tend to be under the radar by a lot. But that's why I wanted to start with Cardano as one of the first cryptocurrency that came to my mind when I thought about top cryptocurrencies to hold for this year and for the foreseeable future. Now, next cryptocurrency has been under the radar quite a lot recently. However, at the start of this year, this cryptocurrency was absolutely bossing it. And that's, of course, no surprise here, but Dogecoin. Dogecoin was doing extremely well, and it's not just because of Elon Musk, but because of various reasons why Dogecoin was doing well. Because apart from Elon Musk, there was other people who believed in Dogecoin as well for various reasons. And some of these people were investing in Dogecoin back when the price was 0.0025 cents. But the most incredible thing is that Dogecoin was actually at 58 cents back in May the 6th. And it was actually higher than that. It was above 60 cents actually. It was around 65 cents at its all-time high. Just to put that in perspective, that's not too far from $1. From $1 per Dogecoin. Just to put that in perspective. So it was doing extremely well, but naturally, with a lot of cryptocurrency recently, they've lost a lot of momentum. They've lost a lot of money. They've lost a lot of market power. Quite naturally. But these things happen. Now, one of the things I don't like about Cardano is because of its huge supply. Current circulating supply is 130 billion. But that's not just the only thing. Cardano supply will continue to increase over time to keep the cryptocurrency itself as stable as possible. But that will also drive down the price over time. But if more people keep on using it, then naturally the price will go up. But when more crypto is added to the market, the price will go back down. This is to keep it from being controlled by any one person, but it's also to keep it predictable. It's in the DNA of Dogecoin to do this. It's a complete opposite to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an extremely low supply. So for everyone who don't know what Dogecoin is, let's just have a simplified version. Basically, Dogecoin started as a joke coin, just to prove to the world that actually creating cryptocurrency isn't as hard as you think. So the creator of Dogecoin thought, actually, let me just create this coin as a joke, and let's just prove how people will instantly invest in anything. And they were actually quite right. He created He created Dogecoin as a joke just to prove that people will invest in absolutely anything, and that's exactly what people did, was invested in Dogecoin a lot, including Elon Musk, of course. So Dogecoin is based on the popular Doge internet meme, and it features a Shiba Inu on its logo. The open source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus from Poland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia, and was forked from Litecoin in December in 2013. You hear that? It was actually forked from Litecoin. And in case you don't know, Litecoin was actually forked from Bitcoin. Well, kind of. Basically, Litecoin is a light version of Bitcoin. It's it's interesting. So Dogecoin creators actually imagined this coin as a fun little joke, a light-hearted cryptocurrency that would have greater appeal beyond the core of Bitcoin audience, since it was based on a dog meme. But after Elon Musk started posting about Dogecoin, well, it just sent it through the roof. And naturally, because Elon Musk is just one of the smarter person we have on the planet right now, doing some incredible things with SpaceX and Tesla, well, a lot of people will follow what Elon Musk says, or even what they think Elon Musk is thinking. But for a lot of people, they made a lot of money with these cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin, by just predicting when certain things was going to happen, investing at the right time when the price was extremely low. So that was my second pick for my top cryptocurrencies to hold. Now the next one is, of course, Chainlink, sitting at $19.42. Supply, max supply 1 billion, and circulating supply 441 million. But interestingly, let's just get into exactly what Chainlink is. So Chainlink is a network that is driven by a large open source community of data providers, nodes operators, smart contracts developers, researchers, security audits, and more. So a company focused on ensuring the decentralized participation is guaranteed for all nodes operators and users looking to contribute to the network. So Chainlink prides itself on being extremely decentralized, and it wants to keep it that way. Now, it was actually founded in 2017, and Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts through a decentralized Oracle network. Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events, and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. Now, Chainlink 2 has been doing extremely well lately, but the most craziest thing was at its all-time high, Chainlink was over $52. But if you think that's crazy, well, back last year in May, Chainlink price was actually 0.48 cents, 48 cents per coin. But what makes Chainlink unique is what it does, is what they do. That's what puts it at a unique advantage in the cryptocurrency market. That's what gives it a unique ability to reach highs of $52, coming from all the way of 48 cents. And given that the max supply is 1 billion. Chainlink is unique, and out of all the cryptocurrencies that I'm going to be focusing on today, if I had to choose one, it would probably be Chainlink or Axie Infinity and possibly Ethereum Classic. But even if I had to choose out of all three of those, I'd probably still choose Chainlink because of its unique factors. You know, Chainlink was 10 billion, 20 billion, 50 billion, I'd be worried. But 1 billion and 441 in circulating supply, I'm actually really comfortable with that amount. When you're talking about a cryptocurrency supply, it's not incredibly low though. Bitcoin 21 million, but under 500 million circulating supply, that's quite reasonable for me. That's quite reasonable. But naturally, Chainlink is falling down quite a lot. It's lost a lot of momentum. I mean, it was at one point it was at around $15, and this was July the 16th. $15. So that's kind of crazy in itself, believe it or not. You know, that's actually kind of crazy in itself, because it's coming from an all-time high of $52. So if it could hit $52 and you can actually buy this cryptocurrency at only $13 or $15, $13 on the 20th of July actually. Wow, what a margin. What an impressive growth you could have if this cryptocurrency hit $52 once again. So next coin we're having a look at is Theta, the main token of Theta. Not Theta Fuel, no, the main token. 20th coin in the world by market cap, $5.97. Now I do think this is one of the best crypto to hold, and I'll give you the exact reasons why. Circulating supply and total supply, 1 billion. And I like that they kept it simple. They kept it real simple. But let's start back last year, March, around 2020 March last year. This cryptocurrency price was 0.07 cents. It was less than 10 cents per token. That's crazy. So first thing I want to touch on is what exactly is Theta. Well, Theta is a blockchain-powered network and is purpose-built for video streaming. And video streaming is every day. You're watching this on YouTube. That's a video streaming platform. So it's huge and it's only getting bigger by the minute with TikTok and YouTube trying YouTube Shorts, Facebook streaming, Twitch. It only gets better and bigger. So it's actually launched in March 2019. So the Theta mainnet operates as a decentralized network in which users share bandwidth and computing resources on a peer-to-peer basis. So the project is advised by Steve Chen, the co-founder of YouTube, and Justin Kan, co-founder of Twitch. Twitch and YouTube are some of the biggest streaming platforms on the internet, and they're co-founders, and these are the guys that are responsible for creating Theta. These are the guys that are advisors on the Theta team. That's actually quite impressive. So I do like that. $5.97 at its current price, but at its all-time high, you're looking at around $12 and even around $14 back in April this year. April the 16th, $14.28. So yes, I do believe that this cryptocurrency is good to hold. I think it's good to hold for the foreseeable future. And you have to watch out this cryptocurrency, especially in August as well, to see where it goes price-wise. Because at its lowest, around the 20th of July, this cryptocurrency was actually priced at $3.66. Now, right now, it's sitting at just under $6. That's almost twice as much in price, and that's almost twice as much in market cap. So this is the thing about cryptocurrency. You can never really predict it. It's extremely unpredictable, but Theta has proven to me that it's definitely viable. It's definitely valuable for the future. And that's why I believe it's one of the best cryptocurrencies to keep a watch on and to hold on to. Now, next cryptocurrency is Axie Infinity. I made a video on this, I think it was this morning, and I uploaded a video, and it was terrific just to learn about Axie Infinity and the platform and its NFTs and its Axie creatures, and just that it's ridiculously expensive to play the Axie Infinity game. It's ridiculously expensive because it's run on Ethereum, and Ethereum gas fees are just crazy. But for various reasons, using Ethereum can be quite expensive. You know, to play this game, you actually need 3 of the NFT creatures, and that can cost you in total around $1,000 US dollars, $1,000 just for 3 of these creatures, and you need 3 of these creatures. There's very few people who can afford to pay that amount just to play a video game. But a lot of people are in it for the money. They're in it for the win. They're in it for the gains. They're in it for the NFTs and reselling NFTs for more money. So naturally, I'm about to show you one of the most impossible predictions that anyone could have made for any cryptocurrency. You can see that the supply is low, 60 million in circulating supply and 270 million in max supply. So that begs the question, where was it this year? Early this year, February, it was $1.90, $1.49, and in February the 6th, it was actually under $1. That was 94 cents. But even before this, the price was even more incredibly low. November last year, 4th of November last year, it was 0.16 cents per coin. Just think about that for a moment. 16 cents per coin. Now, currently, it was at $49, and I still think it's going to easily hit $50 and $60 and eventually $70 perhaps before the end of this year, because this game is getting bigger and bigger by the day, by the minute. It's getting bigger and bigger. And like I said, there's already a high demand in people trying to get into this game, but it's expensive. So if there's a high demand, clearly the price isn't going to go down by much anytime soon. If anything, it's going to double before the end of this year, and that's a bold prediction, but I do believe that Axie Infinity is definitely one of the best coins to hold right now for various reasons. Like I said, at the start of this year, this cryptocurrency was just around $1, less than $1 actually. January the 3rd, this cryptocurrency was 54 cents per per coin. And right now the price is $48. In fact, it's fluctuating as we speak. Right now, it's fluctuating as we speak. Now it's gone up to around 57.67. So clearly, and I think a lot of people are actually using this cryptocurrency to trade. So naturally, it has a lot of benefits because the supply is low. The market is doing well right now. The platform is doing well. I feel like it's just waiting to tip over $50 because there it goes. It hits $48 once again, $2 away from $50. And I can't wait to come back to this video 3 months from now, 6 months from now, and check out the price from today when I'm making a video, the 28th, after midnight, after 1 in the morning. I'm making this video. I want to come back to this video in 3 to 6 months to see if I was correct. I know I'm correct, but I really want to see where the price is going to go, throughout this year. And I really do think $60, $70 is nothing. This cryptocurrency is going to smash through it. And if anything, it'll probably double that price before the end of this year, because there's simply just a high demand for this game, for the tokens, for the platform. There's a high demand. But for everyone who don't know what Axie is, Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players. Understand that it's partially owned and operated by the players. Now it's inspired by games like Pokemon. Axie Infinity allows players to collect, breed, raise, battle, and trade token-based creatures known as Axies. These creatures are also NFTs, and NFTs are non-fungible token. They're non-fungible, they're interchangeable, there's nothing else like it. So each of these creatures are unique to themselves and themselves only, which begs the question why they're so expensive. One of these creatures can go from anywhere around $370 upwards to around $1,000 and even a lot more. It only gets crazier depending on how rare the type of NFT is, the kind of Axie creature, how rare they are. Not to mention, crypto gain Axie Infinity has generated 84.9 million in 1 month. For any video game, this is almost impossible to do in a lifetime. But to do this in a month is incredible. In 1 month, that just shows you the power of NFTs. It shows you the power of the blockchain. It shows you the power of crypto gaming and crypto assets. It shows you the power of cryptocurrencies itself, because at the end of the day, it's still a cryptocurrency. It's also power in NFTs. It's involved in a lot of positive things and a lot of good things. So I believe this is one of the best cryptos on my list to be holding right now. So ultimately, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you found something interesting. Hope you've learned something new. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and of course, I will see you